Friday, February 15th is a day no one will ever forget. What happened in the late hours of that night changed the lives of 4 dedicated Bryan firefighters forever.
It's just such a huge loss. It hurts bad, and we're just trying to get through it and support the families that were affected.
Lieutenant Eric Wallace and Lieutenant Greg Pickard were tragically killed in the blaze. Firefighters Ricky Manti and Mitch Moran survived the fire but suffered severe burns. Ever since then, the two have been recovering at the University of Texas Medical Branch Burn Unit in Galveston.
They keep asking, when can they come back? And said, well, as soon as the doctors let you. And I think this is what's driving them to get better. They're almost, it seems like in a competition to see who can get better quicker.
It's a long and slow recovery process. Fire Chief Randy McGregor says the two have undergone multiple surgeries and still have several more to go, but that hasn't stopped the pair from cracking jokes and keeping a positive outlook.
Seeing them progress just kind of takes, there'll always be pain there for the two we lost, but just this whole situation, just seeing something positive, these guys progressing, it means a lot to all of us.
A ray of hope for the department in a time of darkness. In Bryan, Lauren Holman reporting.